In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome, a handy feature for quick access to your favorite websites and web apps. But before we dive into the steps, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to streamline your web browsing experience. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started with adding shortcuts to Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome browser. At the top of the screen where you can see the tabs, locate the New Tab button. It usually appears as a plus icon. Click on the New Tab button to open a new tab. Make sure you have Show Shortcuts on. In the middle of this new tab, you should see an option that says Add Shortcut. Click on this option. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to provide two pieces of information: the name of the shortcut and the URL of the website or web app you want to create a shortcut for. Type in the name of the shortcut you want. For example, let's say you want to create a shortcut for YouTube. After entering both the name and URL, click Done in the middle of the dialog box to create the shortcut. Now, if you open a new tab in Google Chrome, you should see your shortcut listed. Simply click on your shortcut to quickly access the website or web app you've added. Adding shortcuts in Google Chrome can help you streamline your browsing experience and access your favorite web destinations with ease. It's a great way to save time and improve your productivity while browsing the web. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of added shortcuts in Google Chrome.